How to change your username on AliExpress. Are you guys facing issue to change your username on AliExpress website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for AliExpress website. After you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, tap on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will be forwarded to the section. Just simply tap on Edit Profile. Once you click on Edit Profile, you can see this option for Edit. Tap on Edit. After you click on Edit, tap on your profile name and change the profile name according to your preference. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your username on AliExpress website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.